Part 1. Install the DAQIN laser app. Ready a Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung Android phone. Apple and Motorola phones are not supported. Copy and paste the download link to Google Browse, then click Download. Download finished and open it to install. Allow it to install. Scan the app. Click Install button again. Few seconds passed. Installation finished and open the app. Part 2. Connect the Bluetooth with app. Go to Phone Setting. Open Bluetooth. Find device HCXX. Input pin code with 1234 and connect it. Part 3. Register your account. Enter your own account password and log in. Note: for new users, please contact After Sales Service for assistance in registering. Part 4. Update the data. After logging in with your account password, please click on Settings. Click on Update. First click on Download and then click on Update to download the data. Note: if there is no data when opening the software for the first time, you must download the data first. Part 5. Update the data. Open the upper right corner of Settings. Click on Parameter Working Area and change it to 360 and 250. The material type is usually selected for 8H. The power is 20. If cutting TPU soft or colorful backskin materials, the power can be reduced to 15 to 18. Other settings no need to change. Go back. Part 6. How to choose different design templates for cutting. Return to the main interface, select the phone icon, select the Apple brand icon, click to enter Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. At this point, you will see a case-friendly A, B1, B2, B2 logo. A is the full front for the phone screen. A2 is the size of the front for the phone. B1 is the back stick half not wrapped for the phone cover. B2 is the fully wrapped back skin for the phone. B2 logo is the fully wrapped back skin for the phone with a logo. When choose A, case-friendly or others. If use nano material that cannot be attached to mobile phone curved screens, it is recommended to choose A, case-friendly. If use TPU soft material for sticking the curved screen on your phone, it is recommended to choose A, front film full package. If use colorful backskin material, it is recommended to choose B1 or B2. Part 7. How to cut. Click Phone. Click Apple. Click Apple iPhone 14 Pro. Choose Apple iPhone 14 Pro A case-friendly. Click Disconnected. Classic HC06 and Matched. Here shows connected. Click Rotate that can change the directions. Move the template and set the start cutting point to machine. Note: don't let the laser head out of working area to machine. Set 8H. Click Start and cut. Part 8. How cut the model next time. When cut the model next time after entering the positioning interface. the bottom left corner of the software display connected. There is no need to pair the device again. You can directly select another model for positioning. Then set the 8H power and send the start. Part 9. How resize the template and send a cut. Open one template. Enter to the positioning interface. Check if shows connected. Set the location and power wheel. Click the resize. Here, horizon is the width dimension. Vertical is the length dimension. After modifying to the desired size, press Start to send and the machine will start cutting. Part 10. Introduction to other parts of DAQIN Laser app. Mobile software can only send and cut one model at a time. If the remaining counts are 0 and it won't cut, please contact after sales service. Processing counts is the count of the number of times that have been cut. Laptop models are placed under the other category on the main interface. Part 11. How update the new models. Basically, we will update the new models every week. How update? Go setting update. If you cannot find the model you want after done the update, please contact after sales service for assistance. Part 12. About the machine. If the machine cannot produce laser light after cutting, there will be bumps during transportation, which will cause the light path to deviate and therefore cannot produce light. This is a normal phenomenon, not a machine malfunction. Please do not panic or be afraid and immediately contact Yana. The video has ended. Thank you for watching. If you have other questions, please contact Yana or Sana after sales.